Hello. Today we're going to show you what's new in FortiOS 6.0. This new version is focused on increasing visibility and network oversight, improving integrated threat intelligence, and adding new automation features allowing you to proactively respond to emerging threats. We've got a lot to cover, so let's get started. At the forefront of 6.0 are new Security Fabric updates and features, designed to extend your oversight and reach. As of 6.0, you can add many new services to be mapped in your Security Fabric topology: infrastructure as a service cloud sites and servers, such as AWS and Azure, SD-WAN links and software as a service installations, networked FortiMail devices, and many others are all centrally visible and configurable, integrated into the Security Fabric. Also, FortiClient can now collect and display social IDs of users in the Security Fabric topology, giving you more comprehensive user identity control. The Security Fabric rating, introduced in 5.6, contains significant updates in 6.0. The FortiGate dashboard now features a security rating widget with trending graphs and benchmarks to compare with peers of similar scale and industry. Rating rules and scores have been expanded with more best practices, and the Security Fabric rating database is now a FortiGuard service, updated with the latest security data and synced with your FortiGate. Automated rating reports can be exported from your Security Fabric FortiAnalyzer, daily or on demand. Previously only available in FortiCloud, the Indicators of Compromise, or IOC service, has now been integrated into the Security Fabric. Data about compromised hosts detected by any Security Fabric FortiGate and collected by your FortiAnalyzer is now visible in FortiView, allowing you to oversee hostile activity and proactively quarantine affected hosts. To help manage larger Security Fabric networks, user-defined automation workflows are now available in 6.0. enabling customizable automated incident response. You can create automations easily, select a trigger from any data that any device in the fabric can detect, and select an action from any feature any device in the fabric can control. For example, a compromised host detected by FortiClient or FortiAnalyzer can be quarantined by networked FortiSwitches or FortiAPs. Any automation can scale from a single device to cover the entire fabric, and your FortiGate can push automation-triggered alert notifications by email and to FortiExplorer. 6.0 brings a number of usability tweaks to the interface, focused on making it easier for you to manage large networks. With the new asset tagging system, you can create tags to separate and categorize network objects, interfaces, and devices. Tags are flexible, easily configurable, and useful for comprehensive monitoring, audit reporting, and more. You can use tags in global policies for easier categorization and enforcement of new objects that join the network. For 6.0, we redesigned the SD-WAN rules to incorporate multi-layer service level agreement or SLA monitoring into link selection. You can select links based on weight and SLA priority to deal with emergency load or outages, and then fail back to defaults once the network stabilizes. Also, traffic shaping and application intelligence have been added to SD-WAN configuration, allowing more control of SD-WAN traffic. Multiple FortiGate sites that are managed by one FortiCloud account can be configured in FortiCloud to easily create and maintain a hub-and-spoke VPN structure, with FortiManager acting as backup for VPN configurations. A wider network means more connected devices, which requires more robust endpoint security. Alongside FortiOS 6.0, Fortinet is releasing the Virus Outbreak Protection service. Outbreak Protection is an additional layer of proactive protection targeted at new malware, comparing and detecting threats using a real-time FortiGuard checksum database, and providing feedback and pathology in minutes instead of hours. The new remote host quarantine can be applied automatically through automation or other IOC integration, or manually by an administrator. Compromised remote hosts can be locked out of FortiClient using EMS, or can be excluded from connecting to networked FortiSwitches and FortiAPs. Quarantined users are redirected through a remediation VLAN, and you can configure specific rules and policies to restrict their access. 6.0 also includes a number of other features, updates, and improvements. FortiCASB, the Fortinet Cloud Access Security Broker, provides oversight and control to your cloud infrastructure by folding it into your security fabric. FortiCASB rolls FortiCloud Sandbox and FortiGuard antivirus services into your remote security, granting you visibility and advanced threat protection across cloud applications and services. 6.0 also includes advanced compliance functionality and reporting tools for AWS users. 6.0 includes a number of interface updates and enhancements, including wider IPv6 support, multiple NAT improvements including a comment field for central SNAT policies, also application groups for more granular application control, implemented in next-generation firewall policies, SD-WAN rules, and other locations. And that's only what we had time to mention. 6.0 also includes FortiCloud integration in FortiView, high-level FortiAnalyzer reports, FortiCache local caching overflow, DSCP support for SD-WAN, smarter CPU utilization, FortiSwitch device detection, efficient DNS resolution, FortiGuard content disarm, external dynamic threat feeds, YouTube channel filtering, and much more. So that's FortiOS 6.0. Of course, there are many more features and improvements that we didn't have time to cover. You can learn more about 6.0 and give it a try for yourself at Fortinet.com. Thank you for watching.